Okay, firstly, and forgive my poor English and the pronunciation. People ask me how to make this. Okay, I play once. Hmm, It's a little bit lag. Okay, and this effect is not very difficult to make. I can show you how to make this effect. This is a blender smoke, just a smoke, and you must uh, think how to emit and animation the emitter, so smoke can follow the emitter to emit the smoke. Maybe. Okay. So as you can see, this is a simple smoke container. It's a smoke domain here, and I hide these two torus model here, so I can play this model. This smoke is very slowly because the the yeah, the division is very high. Okay, resolution division is 64, and the division is, I think it's 4. Okay, stop. I can stop. Okay, here. Okay, division is 4. So it's very it has many details. Maybe if your computer is good enough, you can increase the resolution, maybe 8 times, maybe. And let me show you the emitter, how to animation the emitter. So I just turn off visibility here and turn on the torus, the emitter. As you can see, just scare it. And I do some rotation with uh, drivers. Okay, I make drivers like you can input uh, that is frame device divide 20, then it will rotate by itself forever. And then the other one, the same rule, and just like that, just scale it. Then emit. I did make some modifier. As you can see, this displacement modifier on this torus. It will make this torus animation with this texture. It's a procedural texture. Okay. Another one is the same, but a different position and the scale. I just modify a little bit smaller here, and I set these two guys for emission smoke here, just emission smoke, and it will it smoke I use the texture for image smoke and do some. I always set drivers here, and the uh, texture or animation. So I got geometry animation and emission animation. They are different. Okay. And another one then is field. Most important thing in simulation is field. I create two turbulence field here. Another one. Okay, and make I set the driver for location. It will animation, and there are different size. This size, and second one is its size is 2. The first one size is 1, and their strength parameter is 2000. Okay, it's very huge, and I create a vortex field here. We can make this smoke like a vortex or like a tornado. And the other one is wind field. I make this wind field direction like this, and this one is force field. But this force field I make the strength is minus 500, and it will suck the smoke to maybe 1 point. But this smoke, this saturation is not quite well now. I will improve it maybe if I have time. So then I create some lighting, some lamp here to light the smoke. Okay. So this is the final result here. And I put this sequence into a compositing software like Natural. Maybe you have After Effects or Fusion or Nuke. But I recommend Natural. It's free open source software. It's no-based compositing software. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed my poor tutorial. Thank you.